It's sad but true. If you want to get good at anything, you have to be really bad at first. One of the examples I like to use is you do not pick up a tennis racket and after a few lessons expect to play center court at Wimbledon. You really don't expect that. And if you are after something worthwhile, you got to figure into the mix that it's going to take some time and some experimenting and some practicing. And it's not all going to turn out perfectly at first. And if you are like I am and suffer from perfectionism, it's really hard for us to deal with the fact when we fail at something, when it's a failure. So I'd like to invite you to look at that a different way. If something doesn't go right, don't start beating yourself up because it was wrong. Take a look at it from a different point of view. Say you did something and it didn't turn out the way you wanted. The first question I'd invite you to ask yourself is, what piece of that went well? Something went well. There was something good in there. And it's important that you take a look at that so you don't lose it. And then instead of asking yourself what went wrong, which is discouraging and will stop you from wanting to try again, ask yourself, what can I do better next time? What needs to be edited? What needs to be tweaked to do it better the next time? And when you ask yourself those two questions, what went well, so get those endorphins going so you don't feel so discouraged because something didn't turn out well. And if you ask yourself, what can I do to make it better? That will keep you on the road to success.